In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to replace a motor, idler, or fabric panel on tube for a motorized interior roller shade. Follow along for a smooth and damage-free process. Start by running the shade to its upper limit if possible. If the shade has fascia, remove the front cover. Make sure the shade is disconnected from power, then remove the shade from the brackets. For shades installed in a cassette, begin by removing the cassette from the mounting brackets. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the mounting bracket slot and gently lift the cassette back to release it. Using a small Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw located on top of the operator side end cap. Once the end cap is removed, use a rubber mallet to gently tap out the operator bracket. The shade can now be removed from the cassette and placed on a flat protected surface. Next, hand roll the fabric until the metal roll tube is exposed. Starting at the motor end, locate and remove the screw securing the motor drive to the roller tube. If replacing the idler as well, repeat this process on the idler side. Please note that low voltage shades in 1.5 inch or 2 inch tubes do not use a retaining screw. Slide the motor assembly and/or the idler out of the roller tube. For a panel on tube replacement, the new roller tube will arrive without a motor or idler installed. Hand roll the fabric until the metal roll tube is exposed. Align the motor drive with the keyways inside the roller tube and slide the motor into place, securing it using the original screws if applicable. Repeat this process for the idler side if needed. Roll the fabric back onto the tube. Once the motor and/or idler is installed, reinstall the shade into the mounting brackets or cassette. Restore power to the shade and run it up and down to confirm proper operation. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos, visit Instaroll.com.